Automation. In Pro Tools, you can automate just about any parameter that you want. For example, on an audio track, you can program Pro Tools to remember volume, pan, mute, send level, send pan, send mute, and plug in parameter data. When you choose one of the automation parameters from a track's track view selector, you are viewing its automation playlists on that track. Here you see the pan automation playlist, and the horizontal line represents the track's panning. There are two ways to create automation data: by drawing it on the automation playlist or by recording it in real time. The easiest way to draw in automation is using the pencil tool. Select a pencil tool shape and then just click and draw on the automation playlist. Here I've drawn in some serious panning automation. When you create automation, you create a series of breakpoints on the automation playlist. Although the automation data may look like a line when zoomed out, it's actually made up of individual points that are finite values for that automation parameter. Zoom in close and you'll see. And each breakpoint is movable. You can edit the automation data by drawing more with the pencil, using the grabber to move automation breakpoints, or by selecting an area with the selector and then trimming it up or down. Before getting into recording automation data in real time, let's discuss the automation modes. There are 5 automation modes in Pro Tools LE, Empowered, and Academic versions. Auto Off turns off the automation on a track. Auto Read tells Pro Tools to simply read the automation data that's on the track. Auto Write, Auto Touch, and Auto Latch are used to create and edit automation in real time. Note, Pro Tools HD also has several additional automation modes, but I won't cover those here. Let's create some automation data. First, select Window, Automation, and make sure the automation type you want to record is armed. By default, all types of automation are armed as shown here. Next, choose an automation mode on each track that you want to automate. I'll choose Auto Write here because I want to write brand new automation data to this track. If you want to write automation on multiple tracks, just choose Auto Write on other tracks too. Then press play, not record, and move the automation controls using your mouse or control surface, like this. Pro Tools records all of your automation moves. Press stop, and all of your automation data is written onto the track. Once automation is written on a track, you can use Auto Touch or Auto Latch to edit it in real time. Auto Touch mode writes automation data only while the fader or switch is touched or clicked with the mouse. Faders and switches return to any previously automated position after they've been released. Auto Latch mode writes automation data only if you touch or move a fader or switch. However, when writing in Auto Latch mode, you don't need to keep touching the controls after you've moved them. The controls stay in the position where you release them rather than reverting to previously saved data. All automation data is saved in your Pro Tools session.